listeners.
Playing in the snow. It's snowing!
Let's go outside to play in the snow.
Yeah!
Mom, I want to make lots of snowmen and play a pirate game.
Playing in the snow we winter, rolling and rolling snowballs.
Wow, we made lots of snowmen.
Put on hats, scarves, put on tree branches. Get ready to play the pirate game.
I'm a brave pirate. My sailors, are you ready?
Yes!
Dad, I want to paint a rainbow in the snow.
Playing in the snowy winter, using many different colors.
Wow, these are beautiful colors.
Making a colorful rainbow with 7 pretty colors.
I painted a unicorn. I painted a pirate flag.
Then I want to make a super-duper giant baby shark.
Playing in the snowy winter, gather and gather lots of snow.
Draw eyes.
A nose.
And a mouth. And sharp teeth.
Put a star on baby shark's face. It's my best friend, baby shark.
After playing in the snow,
Hot chocolate is the best.
I am feeling sleepy now. Oh, it's you, baby shark. You're my favorite snowman. You're my favorite